Hey guys, so last video was just a quick unboxing. Now I'm just going to start prepping it and putting these on my car. So I really wanted these because they looked really nice. So we're just going to go through the prep. All right, so first thing is, well, we got to prep the surface. But first I'm going to take this out. All right, so this adhesive is going to go on the back. These are actually really nice pre-cut. Prepping the surface, so just take some basic acetone. And I'll take just a microfiber towel, something. Make sure there's no greasy residue from the factory when these came out. All right, so for the oil cap, it's pretty straightforward. These are pretty flat. So I'm just going to try to stick it on there as cleanly as possible, centered as possible. Rub it right on there. And this is really nice is they included the 3M high bond, which is great. All right, so got that one done. All right, now for the fuel cap. Same thing. So if you notice in the fuel cap, there's like a little lip right there. So we're gonna stay off that lip just so the tape bonds a little bit better. Nice and flat on there. So go ahead and just clean that off. And let's go ahead and do this side first. So from my first video, it was just an unboxing, and now we're just gonna go through an actual just installation. But this one's super simple. This is just an easy, quick beautification mod. Just dresses up the engine bay a little bit. Just something nice. These are limited edition, so I kind of just wanted to jump on that and get these for my car. A lot of parts I have installed are Turner. I'll talk about more of those later on in later videos. Like in my description, I said this was just going to be me just talking about, you know, my F87 and my wife's R60. Yeah, I don't like that. Let's center it. And things that I've done to just kind of make them a little bit different, you know, maintenance wise. All right, so that's nice in there. All right, so there you go. All right, next step is we're gonna go out to the car, prep the vehicle, and then install these. All right. All right, so back to install. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe off the cap surface. I already got the tape peeled, and there we go. Solid fit. All right, for the gas cap, same thing. There we go.